Here, uninterruptible power supply model XPO-UPS is packed in this trainer. Here, two crimpings, cut this crimping, also cut tape. Remove thermocol. Here's two side thermocols. Here again cut crimping. Here in this trainer, one uninterruptible power supply model XPO-UPS is supplied. Along with this, manual for XPO-UPS, mains cord, patch cord set, 15 watt lamp load, 100 watt lamp load, one fuse 3 ampere, and one dust cover is provided. Here, uninterruptible power supply model XPO-UPS. This trainer consists of model UP1, UP2, UP3 and UP4. UP1 is a input model where we can take a 230 volt AC supply from wall socket. Here is a mains cord provided. Along with this trainer, we have to connect 230 volt AC supply here. And after measuring this voltage, here that 230 volt supply is available to connect UP2. Along with this, here one additional provision for dimmer input we have connected. Now the main precaution we have to take on that never apply 230 volt AC from mains cord and dimmer simultaneously. That is here marked here. Now here the second one is a AVR charger module UP2. Here is the input supply from AVR charger module. That supply we have to take from UP1. Now here transformer supplies, step down transformer supply is available here at tag number 3, 4 and 5, and AC output supply is available at tag number 6 and 7. Along with this, here tag number 14 for ground is also available. Here also some LEDs for mains on, charger on, UPS on, battery low and overload. These indicators are provided here. Third one is inverter module. Now here 3 points tag numbers are available that are connected to MOSFET power bank Q1 and Q2, and tag number 2 is connected to the battery supply, battery positive supply. Now here tag number 11 and 12 we have to connect to connect that battery to the circuit. Now we have given here two SBS5 supply for battery connect and disconnect. Here TP7, TP8, TP9 and TP10, these are the test point to observe waveforms on CRO. Here on UP2 AC supply output, UPS output we are getting, that we have to connect at UP4 output module. Here we have to connect. Again here one voltmeter is provided that will read the output voltage of UPS, and here some sockets we have given and one lamp load is given, and here is one switch for lamp off and lamp on. Here one switch for UPS on and UPS off. While making the connection we have to keep this at UPS off, and after connecting we have to keep this at UPS on. Now here in this manual, chapter number 1, 2 are forward and introduction about the panel. Chapter number 3 is working with input and output panel. Chapter number 4 working with AVR and charger module. And at chapter number 5 actual experiment of UPS trainer. In this we have 3 experiments: study of changeover logic, study of PWM inverter, study of and working of typical offline UPS, and 6, 7, 8 are different chapters for your study. Now here along with this trainer we need one DSO from lab stock and one dimmer stat or auto transformer from lab stock. Now here chapter number 5, study of changeover logic. Here unit objective, theoretical background, UPS trainer block diagram. Here is the control block following sections. Here is the figure for block diagram, and here wiring sequence. Now here from and to. Now here we are working on study of changeover logic. We need one dimmer from lab stock. We have to connect supply 230 volt AC to wall socket. Now dimmer output we have to connect. This already we have connected. Dimmer out to UP1L. Dimmer out N UP1N. Then UP11, UP21. Now along with this small patch cord also supplied. UP11, UP1 tag number 1 we have to connect to UP2 tag number 1. Then UP1 2, UP2 2. Likewise we have to connect all the patch cords given in this manual. Now here we have completed the wiring sequence. We have connected dimmer output to the UP1 panel and another wiring sequence given in this manual. Now here first keep this dimmer at 0 and UPS at off. Now first increase dimmer slowly to 230 volt AC supply. That supply is indicated by input module UP1 meter. Keep this UPS on and off switch at on condition. Now here as you keep this UPS on switch, here you will get output voltage and lamp on. Now vary this dimmer either lower side or higher side. Slowly decrease towards 0. See here, now 210 volt is available and under voltage setting is below 190 voltage, so it is showing mains on. We are decreasing input voltage slowly. At 190 volt, here though mains is present, UPS changeover and turn to UPS on. Now here we are getting UPS on, that is given in observation table. Input AC sub module voltmeter 180 volt, 230 volt, 270 volt. At this condition, mains LED, UPS on LED status and buzzer sound. Though you decrease more, still the trainer will be at UPS mode. Again we will increase. Again we will increase to 200 volt. Again it switches to mains on from UPS on, and again battery will start charging, and here you will get mains voltage. Now again we will increase input voltage. Now here the dimmer limitation is 260 volt, but at 270 275 it will trip as a over voltage, and again this mains on will be off and UPS on will be on. This is your first experiment, study of changeover logic. Now the second experiment 5B, study of PWM inverter. Here unit objective, theoretical background, UPS trainer block diagram is given, UPS trainer detailed block diagram, control block is given, and here how wiring sequence is connected, and here is wiring schedule. Now here we have connected this wiring sequence as per given in this manual. Now here make the connections as per the wiring schedule procedure. Keep 15 watt bulb load on. Keep UPS trainer at 230 volt. Put on the trainer using UPS on switch. So firstly we will increase this voltage to 230 volt. We will make this UPS switch on and lamp load also on. Now here we need oscilloscope from laptop, and we will connect oscilloscope at tag number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. And here we are getting this type of waveform at mains on, UPS off. Now we will reduce this below under voltage. Now this voltage is below 190. Now mains is off and UPS on. Now this condition, here we are getting 240 volt at UPS output, and here we are getting the waveforms. Now again another waveforms are at between tag number 9 and 10. Mains of, UPS on. This is our second experiment, study of PWM inverter. Again make it 230 volt. Now again UPS off and mains on. Make this switch at off condition, lamp load at off, reduce AC supply and remove the patch cords. Now another experiment is 5C, study working of typical offline UPS. In this experiment, here unit objective, theoretical background where block diagram is given of UPS, some theory part about UPS, and here wiring schedule. We have connected this wiring schedule as per given in this manual. Now in procedure, make the connections as per the wiring sequence. Keep 15 watt bulb load on. Adjust the input voltage to 230 volt by adjusting dimmer. Similar bulb is used to ensure longer duration working on battery. Do not connect PC. Put on the UPS. First we will increase this at 230 volt. We'll make this UPS on switch. Note down the reading as per the table given. Now switch off bulb load and connect IBM PC if available in lab to output sockets given here. Put on PC and then put off AC supply. Note down the readings for battery voltage and other signals as per the table given below. Here observation table. Here different input voltage that we have to adjust using dimmer. Output on UP4 we have to measure at 190 volt or 0. Our UPS will be on and mains will be off. At 220, 230, 260 our mains will be on and UPS will be off. At 270 at over voltage mains will be off and UPS will be on. That we have studied in the chapter 5A, study of changeover logic. Now here another table for reading with PC load. Here we have to make this mains off and UPS on, and we have to measure the timing. At that condition, battery low buzzer, battery low trip, and here battery voltage. So we have to connect one multimeter between this tag number 12 and tag number 14, that is battery positive and battery ground. Here is one digital voltmeter, DC voltmeter. We have to connect between ground tag number 14 and tag number 12. Now this voltage is showing of charging voltage, and here for table number 5.4 reading with PC load, we have to decrease this voltage so that UPS will be on. Now here we are getting battery voltage on UPS. Now here 15 watt load, or you can connect PC here and start the time counting. Here at start after 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 16 minutes, 20 minutes, or depends upon different timings, we can take the different readings. Same way here we can observe DSO waveforms. Now here voltage is decreasing. As the load increases from 15 watt to 100 watt or PC load, this draining of battery will decrease fast. Now while this UPS on, battery will decrease, and after taking these readings battery will discharge. Now again put this at mains on, so that whatever the battery discharge needs to be recharged once again, and at mains present battery will charge.